Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's CarsaCardeen and I am in this condominium apartment today, and I thought why not give you guys a tour of what $1 million could get you in Miami Beach. So I'm going to be starting with the best feature of this apartment. This is just breathtaking. So look at the view. You have city view and ocean view. It is just beautiful. It's amazing. It's tranquil. It is so beautiful. But one thing, if you are into sun, this will not be the apartment for you. You would have to get an apartment on the east side. This is on the west and the sun is not your friend. But if you are someone that wants to be on your balcony and not have too much sun, yeah, this is it. But if you are a picturesque person and you need the sun to take beautiful photos, no, this is not it for you. But the view is amazing, spectacular, it's beautiful, it's just so inspiring inside. Well, let's take a tour of the balcony. So this apartment is unfinished. As you can see, there's no tile on the floor. It's just bare, but it's $1 million inside, and this is inside of your living room, and I'm going to take you inside of the bedroom first. This is the master bedroom, unfinished, nice big windows facing the city and the ocean and also the bay, which is a beautiful view that you get. And then you can finish your living room, bedroom, and so on. So this is the tub, and adjacent to it is a standing shower. Fixtures are nice. Could have been a little better for $1 million. Tile on the wall, not so much in love for $1 million. Get double vanities. Hello. Sink is not so deep. Could have been deeper, but overall, I think it's nice to have double sink. And this is a closet off, well, not bathroom. I have two closets, unfinished. Like I said, the closet are very small. For $1 million, no, we need a bigger closet. I don't see what I would do with a small closet like this. But anyway, this is not for me, so I'm not judging. So this is the living room. So remember I told you outside first, but this is the living room, unfinished floor. Like I said, tons of money to get it together. But anyway, this is the kitchen. Now the kitchen, it's white, very picturesque, very Instagramish. Beautiful built-in fridge. I love the coffee maker. All Bosch appliances. Woo! Very luxurious. But let's get into the fridge. I like the fridge, and the reason why I like the fridge is because it's not so deep. When the fridge is too deep, you can't, your grocery or stuff just gets stuck in the back. But anyway, this is it. Sub-Zero. And you have your freezer, double panel. So cute. A cooktop. It's not gas, but it's a cooktop nevertheless. A deep sink. Faucet is okay. I feel like they could have done a little bit better with the faucet. But anyway, this is the kitchen. Like, fixtures are so cheap. I know you have to, make it your own, but could have been a little bit better. But anyway, this is the tour. This will be the den, and you can definitely put a sliding door, but like I said, you need a couple thousand to finish this den area, and you have another bathroom. So, which is good. So this is like the guest bathroom right off your entrance coming in. You have a little small standing shower. So if you wanted to turn this into a bedroom, this will be perfect because you have a bedroom and an apartment. This building, well, this apartment is perfect if you're gonna do rental or Airbnb. Oh, that's awesome because it would be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with closet. So everyone have their own closet and their own bathroom. How amazing is that? This is your laundry, and this is the entrance. I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys. Once you come in, you have the bathroom on the side, your laundry, and of course you have that den on the side, and this is the kitchen. Some of the con about this apartment and for $1 million, I feel like the light fixtures are just so cheap. I feel like they could be a lot better. Closet could be bigger, and the kitchen could be bigger. But overall, it's okay. Guys, let me give my realtor a plug. This is my realtor, Romello. So
Hi.
if you are in Florida and you are looking for a condo, a home to lay your head with a beautiful, spectacular view like this one, or even better, that's the guy right there. Okay guys, so as I conclude the tour of the $1 million apartment in this beautiful building called Parque, it is just the view. The view speaks for itself. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and catch you in the next one. See you later.